Home Remedies presents 1 ingredient leave-in conditioner for healthy, long, shinier hair. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia, and in today's video, on the request of my viewer and subscriber EM, as the name showing on the screen, I will present a very easy and simple recipe for a leave-in hair conditioner. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. I also want to share with you that this recipe actually my grandmother had made for me, which I'm using still and also advising others to try. My hair used to be very dry and frizzy though, and full of split ends, and was not growing faster compared to my friends. After using the secret recipe, when my friends saw the change in my hair, they begged me to tell them my secret. There was nothing I could do but ask my grandmother for the recipe to her magic potion. So, it was none other than aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel contains enzymes that eliminate dead cells on the scalp, which with time clogs the pores and hair follicles. In addition to enzymes, aloe vera is full of amino acids, vitamins and minerals that nourish each of our hair fibers. That's why I don't have any more split ends. My hair is much more long and shinier. I don't have a scientific explanation for this, but I believe that with nourishing and sealing the open cuticles, the hair retains more moisture and the exterior appearance becomes shinier. So let's see how to make this leave-in hair conditioner for miracle hair. Ingredients: half cup of aloe vera gel, half cup of water. Mineral water is better. 1 spray bottle. Preparation: take fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf. Mix well the gel and water in the spray bottle. Now your aloe vera conditioner is ready. How to apply the conditioner? Once your hair is dry after washing, spray and distribute the conditioner evenly by giving smooth massage movements on the scalp. Detangle your hair and let it do its magic. It is best to use it at least twice a week. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.